Okay, next game we're gonna play is sound effects. Now in this game you got two people. That's gonna be Jeff and Leland right here. They're gonna provide the sound effects, while me and Chuck over here are gonna perform the scene.
Hello.
Sit right there. Cool.
That's our extra.
Now, what should the scene be, guys?
What are you gonna do for the scene?
Gundam.
Gundam.
Screw you.
Gundam. Let's do a western.
Okay, a western. Alright. You got horses.
I got the hay to summon the horses.
Alright. Let's get on the horses then.
Alright.
Did you step in something?
I think, yeah, my spurs are kind of stuck together at the moment.
Apparently I got some on me too.
Could you do the honor and split my legs so that the spurs can get off of each other?
Look away.
Oh, my scrotum!
Sorry. How do you feel now? Hey there, Mom.
Look, Mom, look at what Billy did to me.
I swear it was by accident. Alright, let's get on the horses and giddy up.
You're gonna have to help me a little bit. Seeing as you split my legs to Kingdom Come.
Alright, yeah, I got a hammer.
You broke my shit, you jackass!
Well, at least you're not doing the splits anymore, right?
What you talking about, Willis?
Alright, here, let me help you up on your horse here. Here. Apparently too short for a horse. I got you a mini pony.
I appreciate that.
Alright, giddy up!
I was enjoying that.
Alright, we're here at the saloon.
Okay, I'll get off my mini horse. Seeing as you broke my legs and tore my scrotum and all that.
Oh, jeez, what was that? That sounded like a gunshot.
Come from a gun?
Oh my God, cannons! Blast!
My God, you gotta do something about this. Wait a minute.
Let's sink refuge into that saloon there, but we gotta do it in cliche Western style. As you walked up and open up the door. Here, let me oil up your spurs there.
Not like it needed
to be
that.
out of it.
Besides, isn't the stereotype rusty spurs anyway? Kind of contradicting yourself, aren't you? You know you're hitting me with the door, right?
I'm sorry.
I'll just duck. Ow!
Ooh, are you okay?
Never better!
Alright, get yourself back up there.
Alright.
Bartender, I'll have one whiskey, please. And here you are, inflatable toy.
Screw you.
Apparently I got an inflatable toy too.
Are you sure you're at the right saloon?
This town is very weird, ain't it?
Not your typical Western. If you're not going to give me a whiskey, then I'm going to climb over that bar and I'm going to kick your ass.
I'm going to help him.
Okay.
I'll pick him up and throw him over there.
Yeah, that'll really help.
Alright. Whiskey!
That almost hit me, you know.
What is this? The Lakers game? They're shooting these things out of cannons.
My God.
Here you are.
Plastic cup, that'll do. Oh, shit.
That was close.
Alright, let's just drink this and get this over with. Wait, there's a little bit more.
Apparently you have two mouths there. You're making two sounds. Two different sounds.
Apparently I'm really thirsty.
Alright,
let's just get the hell out of here.
Alright, here we go.
Pow!
Alright.
Gonna have to work on that.
Oh, sun's setting. Guess we might as well ride out into the sunset.
I think our horses are dead.
Alright, who's the one that put nails in our horses?
Hey, it's not me this time.
Alright. Looks like we're gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. I got my bike. Alright. I got my bike. Go! Oh!
And scene.
I swear
And scene.
it didn't happen like
That's
that.
it. That's it.
That was the rudest game.
I thought sound effects was supposed to be acting out two sound effects.
It can be both ways.
Okay.
You can idea of sound effects is to
One
like,
person does one
screw
person's
up
sound
the
effect.
other. Yeah.
Alright,
Whether
alright.
it be the person doing the sounds or the person